Wishing all of you a very happy, joyful, magical, and awesome new year. As this year has begun, I want you to take 60 seconds and think about the experience you want to have in next 12 months. Not your resolutions, not your goals, and not even your vision board. Just think about your state of being, who you are becoming, and what you are experiencing. That will create your journey of manifesting. Because manifestation is not motivation, manifestation is not magic, manifestation is the pure alignment of your energy. And as you are starting this year, I want to tell you one thing. Every year, millions of people celebrate this day, make resolutions, even some of them set goals, some have visions, and few of them make vision boards. But what truly create the manifestation is the momentum and the alignment they carry beyond the first 2 weeks. So many people think about it, write it, and then forget about it. By the mid of month January, so many people lose their momentum because they try to change the outcome without changing their own self. Manifestation doesn't respond to your hopes or dreams. It responds to who you are and what you are becoming. And if you have entered 2026 thinking that somehow good luck will shine upon you and everything will change automatically, then that is not how things are going to unfold. But here is the real good news. The, the real good news is you have the power, you have the energy, and you have the capability to change your energy, align your vibration, and create more success. That is why when you are starting this new year, you have to step into a new phase of energy, new phase of understanding, new phase of alignment that will create new result. Many years back, one of my mentor told me, if you are keep thinking the same thoughts, if you keep feeling the same feelings, and if you keep doing the same action, you will be keep living the same life. If you want to have a new life, if you want to have new results, if you want to have new success, then you have to start thinking in a new way. You have to start acting in a new way. You have to start taking action in a new way. You have to start feeling in a new way, and you have to start dreaming in a new way. And when new energy enter into your life and become a part of your thinking, feeling, actions, aligning, and everything will start happening in a new way. And that is why I want you to push the reset button right here so that this year it's not going to be like any previous year so far. It is going to be a year of extraordinary success, extraordinary growth, extraordinary power and prosperity. And let me give you the truth, most people do not tell. Manifestation is not about attracting something new. It's about removing the resistance to what you want. Yes, it's not about the what, but it's about removing the resistance so that you can flow forward. And these resistances resides in your subconscious belief, in your emotional habits, and your default reaction system in your mind and body. And that's why if affirmation don't work for you, visualization feels like fake, and you feel like stuck, then it's time to release the resistance to reset your life. So your 2026 doesn't need more effort, more hard work, more struggle, more forcing, or more good luck, or more stars to work in your favor. What it needs is your alignment of energy, your alignment of your emotions, and your alignment of your actions towards what You are creating what you are ready to experience and bringing those things into existence in your life. And here is what I want you to understand deeply. The universe doesn't test you, it mirrors you. If you feel desperate, you manifest delay. If you feel anxious, you manifest instability. If you feel rushed, you manifest resistance. But if you feel grounded, if you feel certain, and if you feel calm, reality reorganizes itself. This year, your power is not chasing. This year, your power is aligning your energy, being certain of who you are, and seeing it before receiving it. And that is what I call true manifestation. So here is the new year 2026 manifestation reset practice for you. Let's do a quick reset practice together. Close your eyes and just listen. Step 1, release 2025. Say internally, I release the emotional baggage of the past year. Not the lessons, not the growth, only the emotional weight, emotional burdens, and emotional baggages I release and let go. Step 2, align your energy. Now ask yourself, who do I choose to be in 2026? Now, what I want, who I am. Be here for a moment and ask yourself who I am becoming, what I am manifesting, what I am attracting, what I am receiving. A calm achiever, a confident creator, and an aligned leader. Yes, I am the one. Now, step 3, emotional installation. Feel the emotion of already being that person. Not excitement, not desperation, but calm and certainty. This emotion is your real vision board. New energy, new year, and new you. And if you want to experience, and if you want to take a deeper dive in learning and mastering the system, which can put you in this automatic alignment of your manifestation this year, then I invite you to join my powerful New Year, New You program that I'm starting in few days. This program will be a game changer for you to align your energy for the whole year. Check the link in the description and sign up for the New Year, New You program. So now I want you to follow 3 rules to manifest the best year ever. Rule 1, no emotional negotiation. Stop convincing yourself, decide once and move forward calmly. What you are manifesting, who you are becoming, what you are creating. Yes, no negotiations, only certainty, absolute decision, and move forward. Rule 2, inspired action only. If an action feels forced, pause for a moment, reevaluate, change your emotion, aligned action with clarity and inspiration. No heavy pressure, no desperation. Only inspiration should lead every action forward. And rule 3, detach from timing. Yes, your job is alignment. The universe handles everything else. Always remember, in manifestation, timing follows alignment of energy. Imagine it's December 31st, 2026, and you are looking back to this day and you realized your confidence has become rock solid like the Himalayas. Your standard has transformed to be the best in the world, and your reality is the dream, desire, and vision that you once longed for. And all this is possible not because you chase success, but because you become unavailable to misalignment. Because this year is not about doing more, it's about doing it differently. And that is why, if this video is an eye opener for you, like it, share it with someone, subscribe to the channel, and hit the link in the description or comment and sign up for my powerful live workshop, New Year, New You, which will put you in the alignment for this whole year to create the life of your dreams. Let's make this year the greatest year ever. And the powerful framework is just waiting for you. So go ahead, sign up for the New Year, New You program and be the architect of your new life. Yes, sir, yes. And if you have found this video truly inspiring and eye opening, and first comment below, I choose alignment in 2026. And if you are ready to go deeper, my New Year, New You program is just waiting for you. So let's make 2026 not just a good year, but an extraordinary year of success, growth, and alignment. Once again, Happy New Year. See you in the next video. Thank you.